You know when someone asks you to bring something to a potluck and they say, I don't know, something like that everybody can eat? You need this vegetable grain salad. It can be vegan, it's nutritious, and I'm out of ideas. It's gluten-free, it's nutritious, it's easy to make in advance, it's delicious, and it can even be vegan. Let's do this.
It starts with a simple vinaigrette made right in the bottom of the mixing bowl. Then add tons of herbs, lots of crunchy vegetables. I even add some nice cherry tomatoes just cut in half, and some olives. Add those grains and then just toss really, really well to combine.
So there you have it, a delicious vegetable grain salad. It's got crunch, it's got tanginess, it's super nutritious, it's very satisfying, and everyone's gonna love it. For the full recipe of this dish, click the link in the description below. Oh, and this uses my big batch whole grains, which is part of my Favors to Your Future Self Masterclass. So check out all the information on that in the description below. Life is complicated, guys. Cooking shouldn't be. Happy cooking!